Hi, welcome to the English Lounge. I am Emma.
And I am Ethan. Good to be here with you today, Emma.
Good to be here with you too. How are you doing?
I am good, but I am a little hungry right now.
Hungry? Already?
Yes, I keep thinking about food. Good food. A big burger, some fries, a cold drink.
Ethan, stop it. No, I'm hungry too.
Sorry, but it is a good thing, because today we talk about food.
Yes, today on the English Lounge, we talk about eating at a restaurant and how to do it in English.
It is a great topic. Very useful, very real.
Yes, it is. And before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, The English Lounge, and give this video a like if you are hungry like Ethan. Please share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot. Please share it with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot.
It does, thank you. Now let us get into it.
Lot. Good. That person is the host. They help you find a table. So you look at them and you say hello or hi.
I open the door, I go in, and I see a person near the front.
Okay, Ethan, you are at the door of the restaurant. You walk in. What do you do?
Hello.
Yes. Then you need a table. You say, a table for two, please.
A table for two? So that is for two people.
Right. If you are alone, you say, a table for one, please. If you have three people, you say, a table for three, please.
So it is always a table for and then the number.
Exactly. Easy to remember.
A table for two, please?
This way, please. Or follow me, please.
And I follow them to my seat.
Yes. You sit down and then what do you want first?
The food!
Close. First, you need the menu.
Ah, right, the menu, to see the food.
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That is polite.
Yes, the word please is very important in a restaurant. Use it a lot.
Okay, I have the menu. I open it. I see a lot of words. Starters, main course, desserts, drinks.
Good. Let us look at each one. Starters are the small dishes you eat first, things like soup or a small salad.
I like soup. Tomato soup is very good.
Me too. Then the main course. That is the big dish, the main part of your meal.
Like chicken, fish, pasta, or a big burger.
Yes, and dessert is the sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream, fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my number one.
A good choice. And drinks? Water, juice, soda, tea?
So, 4 parts. Starters, main course, dessert, drinks.
That is it. Now you know what to look for on any menu.
The waiter comes to my table. What do they say?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
Good. Or if you need more time, say, just a minute, please.
Just a minute, please. Very useful.
Now, how do you order? You can say, I want a burger, but a better way is, I would like a burger, please.
I would like. That sounds more polite.
Yes, you can also say, I will have the burger, please. Or short, I'll have.
I'll have the burger. That sounds natural.
Let us practice. I am the waiter. You are the customer. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Great. And for your main course?
I'll have the burger, please.
Good choice. And anything to drink?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that is 1 tomato soup, 1 burger, 1 soda. Is that right?
Yes, that is right. Thank you.
The waiter will sometimes repeat your order. That is normal. They want to make sure it is correct.
Yes, that is right. Thank you.
Good. So you wait. Your food comes. The waiter puts it on the table and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal. And I say, thank you.
Yes. Simple. Now you eat. The waiter may come back and ask, "Is everything okay?"
And if the food is good, I say, yes, it is great. Thank you.
Or, "Yes, it is very good." Or, "Yes, it is delicious." Delicious means very, very good.
Delicious. I will use that word.
Now, what if you need something? More water, more bread?
Excuse me.
Good. "Excuse me" gets their attention. Then you say, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Can I have some more water, please? Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Yes, the same pattern. "Can I have," and then what you need, and "please" at the end.
Can I have another soda, please? I think I will need that.
You and your soda.
It is so good with a burger. Okay, I finish my burger. I am full. But wait, dessert.
Yes, the waiter takes your empty plates. They may ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
Yes, please.
You look at the menu, you see the chocolate cake, the waiter comes back.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect, you eat your cake, it is delicious.
It is very delicious.
Good, now the meal is done, time to pay.
Right, I get the waiter's attention. Excuse me.
And then you say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "The check, please."
Bill or check? Are they different?
Same meaning. In the UK, people say bill. In the US, people say check. Both are fine everywhere.
Good to know. Can I have the bill, please?
The waiter brings a small paper with the price. You can pay with cash or a card.
If I am not sure they take cards, I can ask, do you take credit cards?
Yes, and when you give your card or money, say, "Here you are."
Here you are. Then they come back with the card or change.
And as you leave, you smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye. A nice way to end.
Okay, let us do the whole thing from start to finish. I am the customer this time. You are the waiter.
Let us do it. Hello. Welcome. How many people today?
Just me. A table for one, please.
Of course. Right this way. Here is your table. Can I get you the menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Take your time.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the chicken and vegetables, please.
Great choice. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
1 chicken, 1 water. I will be right back. Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it is delicious. Thank you.
Happy to hear it. Let me know if you need anything.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Can I have the bill, please?
of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was great, Emma.
It is not so hard when you put it all together.
The key phrases are short. A table for, can I have, I would like, the bill please,
And always, please and thank you.
Always. Those two words make a big difference.
So, Emma, what do you like to order at a restaurant?
I love pasta. Any pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. Simple and always good.
A classic. And a tip for everyone. When you start, order things with short, easy names. Chicken, fish, soup, pizza, pasta.
Yes, do not start with a dish that has 6 long words in the name.
Keep it simple at first and smile. People are kind when you try.
That is so true. A smile goes a long way.
What about you? Is there one food you always go back to?
Pasta always, but I also love a good soup on a cold day.
I am a pizza person. Big pizza, lots of cheese, some mushrooms on top.
Now I want pizza.
See? We always end up hungry on this show.
It is the topic's fault, not ours.
Okay, I think we covered a lot today.
We did, and it is all very useful for real life. You can use these phrases next time you go to a restaurant.
Start simple. Order something you know. Speak slowly. Smile.
And do not worry about mistakes. People will help you. They are happy you're trying.
That is the best tip. Just try.
So that is all for today's episode of the English Lounge. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you. We hope you feel more ready to walk into a restaurant and order in English.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Pizza? Pasta? A burger?
We want to know. Leave your answer below.
And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English. It really helps them, and it helps us too.
Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep it simple. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.